Hello everyone, welcome to biology class. Today we are here with the chapter 3 solutions of the exercise part. So all the answers are mentioned here. You can just take a note of these in your textbook. First we will have this book exercise, the solution. I will just scroll through downwards. You can take a pause wherever required and just note down these answers. So first of all, here we have the fill in the blanks. The answers you can see in the dark black, they are underlined all. Next, here we have page number 40. Name the following questions. Then it is page 46. Here as well, give one word, means name the following questions, followed by the fill in the blanks. Next comes the main exercise of the book, that is from page 47. Select the correct option. In this, only the correct option has been mentioned. Like the first answer is C, functional and structural. Second answer is A, Robert Hooke, and third answer is D, cell wall. Question number 4 on the next page you can see in the book, that is answer is option A, nucleus. Question 5 answer is C, nucleus. Question 6 answer is A, cell membrane. Next, followed by the fill in the blanks. Here we have the true and false statement. For this, wherever we have the false statement, you can just notice I have put an underline. So this word you have to cut and write the next thing that is mentioned after the false statement. In place of animal, you will write plant here. Answer is false. Next, you can see presence of the last central vacuole. In this case also, you will cut this animal and write there plant, because it is about the plant cell. Answer will be false. Similarly, fourth answer is true. Okay, then fifth answer also you have to cut their animal and write their plant. Answer is false for this as well. Next, here is match the following. Only the correct option is written in front. Plasma membrane, selectively permeable, lysosomes, suicidal bags, chloroplast, kitchen of the plant cell. Cell is the unit of living body. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Then we have the give the location and the function. So first line will be the location, second line will be the function. So just you can take a note of this. You have to just note down in the book itself only. Next we will move here on page 49. Here we have give one word for the following. So these are the answers you can see written in the dark black. All these are the correct answers. One thing you have to make a correct answer. They have mentioned one mistake is there in this. Honey shaped comb structures. So this when we talk about this, these structures were discovered by Robert Hooke. In the book it is given Robert Brown. So in place of Robert Brown, you will write Robert Hooke. So just cut this Brown and write there Hooke. Answers are mentioned. First answer is cell, second cell wall, third endoplasmic reticulum, fourth nucleus, fifth microscope. Then we have the copy work, the notebook you have to take and note down these answers. First we have the short questions. In this video we will discuss only the short questions. So I will just move downwards. Wherever you need, you can take a pause and note down the answer. So that is all for this video. Next video will be from the detailed, means the long questions, as well as the remaining exercise part we will be getting in the upcoming video. So that is all for today. Thank you.